Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit under Asylum in the USA. First, understand that you can apply for an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD, after your asylum application has been pending for 150 days. This document allows you to work legally in the United States. You will need to complete and submit Form I-765 to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Importantly, there is typically no fee for your initial EAD application as an asylum seeker. To be eligible, your asylum application must have been pending for at least 150 days. However, USCIS cannot actually grant your EAD until a full 180 days have passed since your asylum application filing date. It's crucial to note that any delays you cause, like asking for a postponement of your interview, will not count towards this 180-day waiting period. So, ensure you are prepared and responsive throughout the process. When filing, you must submit a fully completed Form I-765. Remember to include 2 recent passport-style photographs taken within the last 30 days to ensure they are current. You also need to attach a copy of your Form I-589, which is your asylum application. Additionally, provide a copy of your I-94 arrival/departure record or other evidence showing your lawful entry into the United States. After you submit your Form I-765, USCIS will send you a receipt notice confirming they received your application. You might also receive an appointment for biometrics, like fingerprints, which is a standard part of the process. Processing times can vary significantly, so it's a good idea to check the current status online using your receipt number. Once approved, your Employment Authorization Document card will be mailed directly to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.